Hi friends, this is Subhash. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about how to create a Git server um, by using this Ubuntu and installing of this Git, pushing the programs to Git, and we will see about the Maven installation and how to edit the Git server, how to connect this local repository Git to server online Git. So let us start now. So for this, I have to connect my putty. So here is my putty. Here is my IP address. We have to paste the IP address here and go to SSH. Auth. You have to allow agent forwarding. Browse the key. In my previous video, I have shown you how to convert the .pem to .ppk and upload that key now. We have to go to downloads. JDK is my key name. Open it. Open. So my putty is loaded now. To login. Ubuntu. So I'm in now. The next thing I have to do is, so for creating a Git server, the basic thing is we have to install the Java package. So the JDK and JRE should be installed in the local repo. So for this I am using the command. First I have to enter into the root user. So this is the command for entering into the root user. After that I want to install JDK package. Sudo. This is the command to install JDK package. First see the Java version. Java version. Okay. Take any version, it's of your choice. Now install it. Sudo apt-get install OpenJDK 7. So it will ask for yes. Sorry, I will play in big screen. 1 minute. So I'm giving yes. So it will take some time to down install the package of JDK. Yes, it is done. Now the JDK is done. Now I want, sorry, JRE is done. Now I want to install JDK package, Java development kit. So for that we have a command sudo apt get install JDK. Oh, sorry, open JDK 7 version JDK. Yes, it has installed the Java development kit also. So we have JRE and JDK, both the things we have in our basic platform. So Java platform is ready. So now you can install Git. So for installation of Git, I'm using the command apt sudo apt-get install git repo. Sudo apt-get install git core. Yes, I want to install it. So by that, using that command, you are going to install git core. So that is a basic thing. We have to install git core before installing anything like related to git. So the git core is installed. Now I want to create one user. Sudo. So I'm creating some I'm giving some privacy issues. So I'm adding a user add git here and password for that. Password is also git I'm giving. So it will ask a new Unix password. You can give your wish. It's it all depends on you. So the password updated successfully. This is where I added the user in it. So after all these things, I have to create a key. So I have to create a key to connect this local repository to the remote repository. So for that adding of key, we have a command called ssh keygen. SSH keygen hyphen T RSA. So SSH keygen hyphen T RSA could not resolve hostname keygen. Okay, sorry, I have typed the wrong command. SSH keygen hyphen T RSA. So enter the file in which you want to save the key. So I am giving root.ssh. The keys should be stored in .ssh folder only, so it's okay for me. Click enter. No need to give anything here. So the key will be generated. Now go to the folder ls total 0. So the key is stored in .ssh folder. So we have to enter into the folder ls-la.ssh. So enter into .ssh folder now. So cd space ssh. So open the key by the command cat space id underscore tab rsa dot. So if you want to see what I am typing, so after getting into .sh file again you can furtherly enter into the folder. So I have to enter into id underscore rsa.pub folder. So give the name id underscore click on tab. It will automatically go through it. 1 minute. Enter into it. So cat id tab rsa dot pub. So enter to that. This is the key, and copy the key from here to SSH. You have copied it. No need of clicking anything. Just selecting is nothing but copy in Ubuntu Linux. So open Notepad++. Anything. Normal Notepad is also enough. Because I am taking this, the key has some gaps in it. So check whether the key has any gaps. There shouldn't be any gaps between the key. So the key is perfect. So go to browser, go to GitHub. This is the remote repository. In my previous videos I have shown you the how to installation, how to get into the GitHub and how to use it, all these things. So I want to store my keys. So go to settings. I have created a key to connect with local repository to the remote repository. So go to SSH and GPG keys. These are two types of keys. So click on new SSH key. Give the title to the key. Git hub. This is my key. Paste the key here. Add SSH key. Password. So the key is added here. So the connection will be established between the local and remote repo. So after the key, this thing is added. So the key is added now. So I want all that code that is present here. Suppose I'm going to my profile. Game of Life. I'm going to Game of Life. This is my repository. This is the Game of Life repository. I want everything which is present here in my local repository. So for this, now I am going to clone it. This is nothing but cloning. For the cloning, first I want to come to my local thing, cd home, come out of the .ssh and home, ls-la. So I will enter into Ubuntu now. Ubuntu. So here I am making a directory. Make directory DevOps. In the DevOps, I'm entering into it. DevOps. So in DevOps, I am cloning the in DevOps directory I'm cloning. Git clone the code. The link will be present here. Clone or download after entering. If you want to clone the Game of Life code, so enter into the Game of Life repository and click here clone or download. This is the link. Just press copy to clipboard. Copied. Now you have to paste that link here. That's it. Enter. The cloning is done. The program Git is currently not installed. You can install it by typing. Okay, it is not installed exactly. So apt-get, go into sudo hyphen su apt get sudo apt get install git core. So sudo apt get install git core. So yes, unable to fetch some archives maybe. Okay, what happened is I didn't update the git thing. So apt get update, so it will update all updates. So apt get update is updating. Okay, it's done. Now enter into that Ubuntu thing, that is cd ubuntu cd slash ls hyphen la. So cd slash home ls hyphen la. So cd slash ubuntu, sorry, ubuntu. So you have entered into ubuntu. Now from ubuntu again you have created a directory ls hyphen la. I think you have created a directory DevOps. So cd space, go to that particular directory. Now again clone, git clone. The program git is currently not installed. You can install it by typing apt-get install. Oh my god, apt-get install git. So it is done now. Now git clone, git clone, cloning into Game of Life. Now it is cloning. So the cloning is done. After cloning, we have to check whether the folders are present in it or ls hyphen la. So Game of Life is present in our local repo. Now we can edit this Game of Life and we can push to the master thing. So for editing this, go to Game of Life folder ls hyphen la. Okay, in that I am taking pom.xml file is there, readme.markdown is there, everything is there. So I am taking readme.markdown file here. So cd space, I want to edit that. So this is how the developers will edit it and they will push the code there. Cd space, readme markdown. Okay, so I want to edit the readme.markdown file and I want to push these changes into that online repo, that is remote repo. For that I am going to va slash slash dot bash underscore profile. So this is how we have to edit it by giving the VA editor. By using the VA editor, we have to enter into the readme thing. So click on I insert. These are the files present in the readme folder. So we can edit anything here, and we can play with it. So by editing these things, we can do anything. So escape. We have to save it. Escape column WQ exclamatory mark. This is how we have to save the file. Done. So I didn't disturb. I don't want to disturb that readme file. So I will show you how to push it to the master. So first see in which branch you are. Git branch. You are in master branch only. Now git status. It is in red color. So I have to add this readme file again to my local repo. So git add readme markdown. Now see the git status. The red color have to go and green. It should turn into green. Git status. So it is turned into green color. So it is added. Now I have to commit it. So git commit funm first commit. So one file changed and one insertion. So commit is over. So the last step is we have to push it. So git push origin master. This is the command to push to the remote repo. It will ask for the admin rights. So it is pushed to the remote repo. This is how we have to deal with this Git server, and we have to create a Git server, and this is the how we have to clone it, cloning, pushing, and how to check branches. Everything we have covered in this video. So in our next video we will see how to install Maven and how to build Maven. I mean how to build a project using Maven. So thank you. Let's meet in another video.